Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to apply an e-visa to Angola. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. So guys, e-visas are becoming popular every day with more and more countries are offering this facility because ease in application, ease in applying and ease in everything. You can get it from the place of your convenience. So I have opened the official SME government portal where they have given the various links. So we have a link apply for visa. Here, if you click, it's gonna take you to another page where we are gonna apply. Okay, so I have the link apply for visa. I click on it. So now I have two boxes to do. First is select which one you are gonna enter. So I'm just putting a sample, but you're gonna do it as per your case. And then this characters. Okay, fine. And I click on continue. Then first you have to go through this disclaimer. And if you agree to it, you need to click check this box and click on accept. If you do not, then you don't have to. Okay. All right. Next is to select the visa category. So I'm gonna do tourist visa. So this is now telling me that what are the things are allowed to do, what are the documents required. Visa fee is 120 USD paid in cash at the border. Okay. Now I'm going to click on continue. Okay. So it is showing the required documents like photo. They have also given the specifications, size, format, passport, at least 6 months of validity, ticket reservation with return, vaccine certificate, hotel reservation or proof of accommodation, proof of livelihood equivalent to 200 USD per day for the stay in the territory, and visa fee. Okay. And I click on continue. 4 empty visa pages they want. Recent photograph with a white background suitable for official use. Supporting documents they have given. And also for scan resolution, everything like they have given all the instructions you need to follow. Format, size, everything. Okay. Maximum 70 KB. Wow. Click on continue. And for supporting documents, they have given 10 meg. Wow. But we got to follow what it is. Okay. So this is going to be in 7 steps. Step 1, identification, travel document, home address, address in Angola, and continue. And there are mandatory fields which are marked. So I'm going to put some sample information, guys. So you are done with the step 1. You are going to upload the photo. Okay. I'm going to see if I can cross this. I was able to cross that step. Next is passport. So I'm going to do this as well. I was able to go through that step. Now it's asking for other document images. So I'm going to cross this step as well. So this is the final step. and I'm not gonna submit it because this is just a sample video, but now you got the idea how to do it. Thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.